you confused of life में क्या करना है, what stream you want to select, future career options because you don't know how a stream feels and like how life will be in it? Well, I did too, and everybody faces it, which is why we have started this career guidance series that will give you more clarity on what stream you should ideally take. Now, I know कि इतने सारे counselors हैं, there are so many career guidance videos of professionals and all. Why should you be listening to me? So honestly, you need to know from a student's point of view कि life कैसा होता है in like a particular stream. And a student themselves would have done so much research because everyone has anxiety about what's going to happen in their future and things like that. So you will learn from a student who has experienced what you want to do, first few hand experience using their wisdom. You get guidance, and they'll also tell you about future plans that you can do in the most interesting way possible. तो आज के वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइफ एज अ जेई स्टूडेंट और अ पीसीएम पीसीएमसी student, how a day in the life looks, what are your future options, how much you have to study, and whether or not you actually are the right person to take this. So let's start. Firstly, what does a day in the life of a JEE or NEET aspirant look like? Now, आपको पता है that these exams are competitive exams, they call it the rat race. There are lakhs of students writing this, and out of that, like hardly thousands get like the college they want or the so-called best college. Firstly, there's no pressure for you to go to IIT or AIMS or anything like that. Find your interest in a particular thing. It's okay even if you don't get into the best colleges, because everywhere honestly they just teach the same thing, and it depends on the student कि आप कैसे पढ़ोगे. Do you actually have an interest? Will you go on to do research? Will you build some innovative scientific solutions? So that is fine. But if you're going for these exams like NEET and JEE, you have to keep in mind that there's going to be a lot of study pressure. Okay, let's be honest, because very few seats, lots of people, and the best scores only will get you into these top colleges. So as a JEE or a NEET student, you won't have much time other than your studies. Maybe you can go out only few times in a month. Mostly you will be with your books, and some people even have to opt for dummy schools. Now, what are dummy schools? Dummy schools are basically schools where you won't be studying your NCERT properly. Like proper हमारे school के teachers नहीं रहने वाले. You're going to be studying from IIT professors, NIT professors, and things like that, where they'll only teach you higher level. They'll teach you shortcut tricks. So one negative of this is that you will not be able to understand the concept that well, because in most cases they only teach you short forms from the exam point of view. So you have to think wisely कि firstly, am I going to take science and then am I going to go for JEE and NEET, or do I just want to go for general मेरे state में, मेरे city में colleges without so much of rat race and so much of competition? उसके बाद if you choose JEE or NEET, you have to think कि okay, should I stay in a dummy school where I'll get lots of time to practice JEE and NEET, but my concepts won't be that good, or should I stay in a normal school? Okay, and the third thing for you to decide is that once I've chosen JEE and NEET, will my full focus only be on IIT or AIMS, or will I still try for other colleges, read my NCERT properly, and things like that? Now let's talk more about the day in a life of such a student. अभी आपका day in the life ना थोड़ा बहुत kind of पूरा पढ़ाई होगा if you're a JEE or NEET aspirant. In general, if you want to do good in anything, आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, and that's the same here. But the difference is that your whole day will be surrounded by science subject, physics, chemistry, or maths or biology. And the thing is, आपके 10th तक your science is very different because you have physics, chemistry, and biology as one subject. But now it's going to become 3 times bigger because individual. So you won't have any gaps. Like English भी आप बहुत कम पढ़ने वाले हो honestly if you're in a dummy school or a JEE NEET aspirant. So your full day will be just science, and of course mathematics, because you won't have filler subjects like social science, AI, English, right? So आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि do I actually have an interest in studying this? Do I want to study science? Am I like interested in what's happening in the scientific world? Am I a creative person? Am I interested in designing things, designing products? Do I want to do computer science? Am I amazing at coding, so I want to do computer science engineering? How do you understand if you're actually interested? Try and take up aptitude tests on the internet. Apart from that, talk personally also to your seniors apart from watching this video. उनको पूछो कि ठीक है क्या करते हैं एक्चुअली साइंस ग्रुप में, उसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए इंजीनियरिंग में या डॉक्टर. ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर तो सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा ही पता होता है. सो And one more thing, go through your NCRT textbooks. Go and see कि क्या आप सीखने वाले हो. Just read through it. Don't learn it, but read through your NCRT. Read through your JEE NEET syllabus portions. And I'll highly suggest you one thing, कि try and get a JEE and NEET ka book which you can go through and see what you're going to be studying. Now let me give you an example for that. So this right here is the Disha's Mission Impossible set of 15 JEE main mock test papers. Apart from that, you get a free rank predictor so that you can know where your aptitude stands, aap kaha ho, where you have to improve, and you get a free one-shot book with sare formulas. Aapko banana bhi nahi padega. All the formulas are written down here, so you can quickly go through formulas, important points, and things like that. Apart from that, for all the papers, you also get answer sheets. Let me show you. So इसमें 15 answer sheets है, question paper and answer sheets, which I think is like amazing, and सारे sets है, so many papers you guys can practice, you guys can go through, see what kind of questions are asked. Of course, you get the OMR sheets also, a proper बैठ के you can maintain your calm and see how you will be writing in the exam. Like I mentioned, solution booklet भी है इस book का Mission Impossible, and a snapshot with all the formulas inside. Abhi iska cost hai I think around 350 rupees, so it's quite reasonable guys for so much that you're getting. So definitely check out this book, buy it, read through it, and see if you like what questions are being asked, if you're able to solve even little bit of it. And yeah, that'll give. This is the advantage of having a mic. Anyways, now let's talk about your future options after choosing IIT JEE first. Now if you are a science student in general, you have two options: to continue in a science field, or second is to move on to commerce. मतलब आप 11th and 12th में you study science, but after that you do a BCom or you do a BBA. You have this opportunity, you have this freedom, and this is an advantage of taking the science group, that you have flexibility. Now after you do it, you can either choose to do commerce. Like I said, you can go to any college, you can write this exam called IPMAT, which will get you admission into IIMs, or you can even go to any other college like SRCC and things like that. Uske apart, you can move on, of course, in engineering, or you can go to research. So you can do a BTech, that is engineering, or you can do a BSc. After this, a lot of people do MBA, a lot of people go abroad to do their masters in science. So here's a division. Choose science in 11th and 12th. After that, you have two options. One, go on with engineering or a science degree like BSc, or second, move to a commerce degree. If you choose to go with a science degree in your college also, again you have two options. One, to go do a business course like an MBA or an MCom, and second is to go and do a science course like a masters in science and MTech, so things like that. So these are your future options. One thing that science gives you is flexibility. I know a lot of doctors also who go on to do MBA, and IIMs have a special quota for doctors who are moving on to do MBA, so you can also think of that as an option. So I hope this video has given you a little more clarity about what you can do, when to do what, and your future options as well. We will do more career guidance videos on commerce also specifically. Also, I was a JEE student for 3 months, and then I quit the course because I didn't like the subjects at all. So make sure you watch that video also. I'll link it in the description, and the Disha book will also, the link of course will be in the description, so do check it out. And yeah guys, make your choice wisely, because later on it's very hard to change your career stream. And of course, but science gives you that option. 2 years you study science and then you move to commerce, so you move to arts also. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and do like, share, comment, and subscribe for more such content.